Well, hi and welcome back to the channel. So this week we are heading south of Sydney to Northern National Park and to National Falls. It's been a really wet and windy week in Sydney, and it's actually still raining whilst we're shooting this. But when it rains, you go and shoot waterfalls, eh? Okay, here we go. Well, good morning. So this morning we've come out to National Falls. Have a look at that. Isn't that just absolutely spectacular? Beautiful spot. The only difficulty is that the access is really quite easy, but the actual waterfall is partially obscured by this tree on the left, and then there's also some little trees on the right, which are not really much of a problem being in the shot here at all. You go really set up in the middle of the river here, so I've got the camera set up front and center, right in front of this little fall in front of me. And then with a big fall in the background. Behind me, if I just swing the camera around, you can see behind me, this ledge leads you to a really big drop-off. So the thing is, you don't want to be too close to this edge. So we went down and explored down here. There's no real shot down there. There's another little ledge of the waterfall dropping off here, but we're going to give that a miss. Because that's 300 miles down to the ground, so the shot's going to be pretty straightforward. There's going to be a portrait shot and a landscape shot. All my usual settings: half a second, f9. We're here quite early in the morning, so the light's just about perfect for those kinds of settings. I'm not going to do too many compositions from this area because I'm standing in the middle of the river, and this is going to be a short one, just to show you a couple of pictures from National Falls, just south of Sydney, in the Royal National Park. Okay, let's put up a couple of shots. I'll put up some settings of the shots, and you can have a look at this. This really only works when there's been a lot of rain, because otherwise this would be pretty much dry in front of me here. So okay, let's get a couple of shots on this and see what we can get. Check them out. Well, that's it for this morning. We're done. Incredible place. Need to come back here because there's just far too much good stuff to miss out on. So we're going to pack up. We're going to go for coffee. National Falls, just about an hour south of Sydney. Absolutely spectacular. All right, see you in the next one. Cheers.